Welcome to Bike Reviews Pro, where we dive into the latest and greatest machines in the motorcycle world. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2026 CFMoto MT 450, an adventure-ready middleweight that's redefining value, performance, and touring capability in its class. Built for riders who demand versatility and reliability, the MT 450 is ready for pavement, gravel, and everything in between. Design and build. The 2026 metric tons 450 stands out with aggressive ADV styling, featuring a sharp front beak, tall windscreen, and rugged body lines. The bike rides on a lightweight steel frame with a long travel suspension setup that hints at off-road ambition. Dual sport tires on 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels offer a confident stance whether you're hitting city streets or forest trails. Engine and performance. At the heart of the MT 450 is a new 449 cubic centimeters single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine, tuned for torque and long-range comfort. Producing around 40 horsepower, it delivers smooth low-end grunt and responsive mid-range performance. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox and slipper clutch, the MT 450 makes daily commutes or weekend escapes a joy to ride. Top speed hits around 160 kilometers per hour with plenty of pull for highway stretches. Technology and features. CFMoto equips the MT 450 with a full-color TFT display, Bluetooth connectivity, and switchable ABS for on/off-road control. Ride modes, USB charging, and LED lighting all around make this bike feel premium at a mid-tier price. An adjustable windscreen and optional heated grips cater to touring comfort, while integrated luggage mounts offer practicality for long journeys. Comfort and touring. Designed with adventure in mind, the MT 450 features an upright seating position, wide handlebars, and a plush seat suitable for long rides. A 17-liter fuel tank extends your range, and the suspension, featuring an upside-down front fork and rear monoshock, is tuned for both comfort and control over mixed terrain. Whether you're exploring mountain passes or cruising through town, the MT 450 handles it all with ease. Final thoughts. The 2026 CFMoto MT 450 is a bold step forward in the midweight adventure category. It blends performance, technology, and rugged design at a price that's hard to ignore. For new and experienced riders alike, it's a machine that opens the door to real adventure. Thanks for watching Bike Reviews Pro. Subscribe for more two-wheeled reviews and ride safe.